Welcome to Hollywood Access, your one-stop shop for the latest entertainment news. In a surprising development, reality TV star Kourtney Kardashian has welcomed her first child, a baby boy, with husband Travis Barker. The joyous occasion, however, unfolds amidst family drama, with reports of Kourtney's sister Kim Kardashian's absence during the birth, hinting at strained relations. Travis Barker's disinterest in Kim visiting the newborn adds intrigue, while TMZ reveals the child's name, Rocky 13 Barker. The Kardashian family dynamics take center stage as fans express excitement and well wishes. Travis unintentionally revealed the name on a podcast, injecting humor into the situation. Amidst the buzz, Kourtney's pregnancy faced challenges, leading to tour cancellations for Barker's band. Stay tuned for more Hollywood updates by subscribing to our channel.